1. Nelson Mandela, serving a life sentence for inciting persons to strike illegally. Accused number 2, Walter Sisulu, sentenced to life imprisonment. Accused number 4, Govan Mbeki, also sentenced to life in prison. It was this day in 1963 when apartheid police raided the Liliesleaf farm and arrested the high command of Umkhonto weSizwe, who were later to be tried at the famous Rivonia Trial. The arrest is still fresh in Ahmed Kathrada's memory.
So when we saw this laundry van from the window, we thought it's one of those deliveries. And it wasn't. They just got out 16 of them with a dog. But first went to the main house and they found Dennis Goldberg there. And then they came to us and arrested us all.
51 years later, Liliesleaf Farm still carries a lot of the country's liberation history. It is now an historic museum of the struggle, symbolic of the country's resistance and rejection of apartheid. Piningobeni, SABC News.